Experiencing power or blade problems with your Freebird shaver? Let's address the most common issues and their solutions. First, let's tackle power issues. If your shaver won't turn on despite being charged, or if you're experiencing weak motor performance, here's what to do. Try a hard reset first. Hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds while the shaver is connected to the charger. This can resolve many power-related issues. Battery degradation is common after 12 to 18 months of use. Try recalibrating the battery by fully discharging it, then charging uninterrupted for 4 to 6 hours. Also clean the charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol to ensure proper connection. Use a cotton swab for precision cleaning. Now let's address blade issues. Dull blades, hair clogging, and uneven cutting are common problems that can be prevented with proper maintenance. Regular cleaning is the key to blade longevity. Perform weekly deep cleaning using the provided brush and alcohol solution. Replace blades every 6 to 12 months depending on usage frequency. More frequent use requires more frequent replacement. For optimal blade performance, store your shaver in a dry place with the protective cap on and apply clipper oil monthly to keep the moving parts smooth. Following these maintenance steps will significantly extend your Freebird shaver's lifespan and ensure optimal performance. Regular care prevents most common issues. Having charging issues with your Freebird shaver? Let's solve the most common charging problems and establish a maintenance routine that will extend your device's lifespan. First, let's troubleshoot charging problems. Start by testing different USB-C cables and power adapters, as faulty cables are the most common cause of charging issues. Next, inspect the charging port carefully for any debris or corrosion. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean out any buildup that might prevent proper connection. Temperature matters for charging. Always charge at room temperature between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme temperatures can damage the battery and reduce charging efficiency. Finally, check the manufacturer's app for firmware updates. Updated firmware can resolve charging issues and improve overall performance. Now let's establish a proper maintenance routine. Consistent care is the key to extending your shaver's lifespan and maintaining optimal performance. Daily care takes just minutes, but makes a huge difference. After each use, rinse the shaver head with warm water to remove hair and debris. Shake out excess moisture thoroughly. Then store the shaver in a well-ventilated area to prevent moisture buildup that can damage internal components. Weekly maintenance requires a deeper clean. Use isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly clean the shaver and inspect for hair buildup in hard-to-reach areas. Monthly maintenance ensures peak performance. Apply clipper oil to moving parts, test all functions, clean the charging port, and check for firmware updates. The results speak for themselves. A 2024 study found that users following the manufacturer's cleaning protocol experienced 3 times longer blade life compared to those with irregular maintenance. Remember, consistent maintenance prevents most common issues and saves money on repairs. Follow these simple routines to keep your Freebird shaver performing at its best for years to come.